that'll be number 6. It's so small. What? This thing is tiny. This is the Sports SQ11 Mini Dv. There are loads of versions of this on Amazon, especially with the coloured band like here. Basically this is night vision, 1080p, DV recording, and it takes a micro SD card, and it only records when something moves in front of it. So I'm really excited to see what this could actually do. Pretty basic gear. You got a USB cable, I assume, to transfer the data. This tiny little clip which goes on here, and that allows you to clip it pretty much anywhere. No idea what this thing does. And that's it. Ready to go. So this thing is really cool, right? The only thing that I would say about this is that rainbow coloured stripes, they seem a bit too obvious. Like, we're going to go and fix that. Getting there slowly. It's kind of fiddly because it's really small, but much better. Now it's a lot harder to notice that this thing's there. We haven't yet tested the night vision mode, which apparently all of these little bulbs around the edge here are actually infrared flashlights. So this should be, luckily I have blackout blinds and curtains. So I'm gonna put the blinds down, pull the curtains, get this place as pretty much as dark as I possibly can, and see what this can see. So apart from my light here, right, if I turn that off, this is literally pitch black in here, so the camera should not be able to see much. Turn that off. Obviously it's out of battery, so I'm recharging it. Okay, so I have found a downside to this thing. The transfer speed takes about 8 days to, not 8 days, okay, that's an exaggeration. So the fix for that is literally just to forget about this USB wire. If you've got anything more than about 2 gigabytes of video, just use a card reader, take the SD card out, put it in there. It's going to be about 10 times faster.